She looks nice. The bread feels good. Bread in Thailand is not like Vietnam, that's for sure. Quite interesting to try this. I've had good ones in Thailand and I've had really bad ones. Bread's a little bit crunchy. I came down here to the river thinking it was going to be nice down here. It's not. It's not even a little bit nice down here. There we go. Give her a try. This thing costs 40 baht. That's about $1.20 or something. Not bad. The sauce seems wrong, but the bread is delicious. Oh, that's really good bread. That's what it's all about with these sandwiches, is the bread. It's really good. She had one with egg on it. I haven't seen that before. This one's got all kinds of stuff. Liver pate and ham and Vietnam sausage. This one here. Chinese sausage, vegetables. It's good. Sandwich good. The view, not so much. I don't know, I'm really surprised Ubon got so much stuff going on. And the river looks, well, neglected. Alright guys, there it is. Vietnam and Thailand. And it's really good. I'm really liking the sauce now. It's different. Got just a little bit of bite to it, a little bit of spice in it. Okay guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. This thing is delicious. Money well spent.